Hey everybody, it's Katie here and welcome to your quick arm sculpt using wrist weights. This is day one, a part of the tank top arm series. If you haven't checked it out already, then make sure to do so. 7 days of power bonus arm videos to add to your daily workout. So let's get started. All right, I'm taking a tiny bit of a little wider stance right here, wider than normal, if you know what I mean. But if you guys want a little bit more than hip distance apart, and let's just start, we're gonna take the palms the back of the room and then take the palms forward. Now, this workout is a little bit of cardio arms. We will get to some sculpting, but a little bit of cardio. Here we go. We got the inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Great. Now your hips are tucked under, your butt's nice and tight. And because this workout is express, we're gonna go through the moves fast. Great, can we speed it up? Double time, front to the back, to the front, to the back, to the front, to the back. Hey, hey, oh my gosh, here we go. Arms already feeling it. No breaks, baby, no breaks. We got 5, 4, 3. We're gonna hold the arms together in the center in 2 and 1. Right there, we're gonna scissor them out just right there in front of you. Abs are zipped up nice and tight. I can't zip mine up, but what I really need to work on, if you are watching this and you're pregnant, or if you're not pregnant, working on making sure you're not holding your breath during these workouts, because sometimes upon exertion, upon moves, sometimes I forget. I need to breathe. Exhale, let it go, and really contract that core. Great for 5, 4, 3, 2, we're raising the roof in 1. Raise the roof, here we go. Pressing the palms to the ceiling. Great. Awesome for the shoulders. We got 12, 11, 10. Nice work. Have fun with it, you guys. Woo! 5, 4, 3. Leave your arms up there in 2 and 1. Here we go. Single arm lat pull downs. You got it. We're bringing the elbow to that hip and pretend that there is an imaginary resistance right there. You're pulling that rope down and towards your hip. Now, if we want, next step of this, we are gonna make it a little side crunch. So take the elbow to knee, other side, elbow to knee. Great. Wonderful. Keep going. 4, 3, exhale as you crunch. For 2, keep the arms up above head in 1. I'm gonna turn to the side so you guys can see. We're throwing the arms back right behind us for that tricep kickback and right back up. Great. Inhale and exhale. Wonderful. Tricep kickback and press it up. Nice work, you guys. Hinge that booty back ever so slightly and feel it in your thighs. 6, 5. Oh yeah, we're gonna get the triceps real good up next in 3, in 2. Last one, holding the arms right back behind you, and we're gonna scissor them out right there. The first move, like we did, in front of us, but scissoring now behind our booty. Here we go. Get those elbows up, shoulders down and back. Try to think about a straight spine. Wonderful. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. You got it. 3. Stay hinged over. 2, 1. We're gonna drop right down and come right up into a nice back fly, but we're gonna just double pulse at the top. Down, double pulse, back fly, and right together. Wall hinged over. We're gonna add that double pulse and down, back fly. Nice work. Beautiful. Give me 8. Getting the back muscles, all angles of our upper body right here, you guys. 6. Really pulse it out and squeeze those back muscles even harder every time for 4. Squeeze them together, baby. 3. Woo! 2. Give me one more right here, leaving the arms up, and then slowly make your way to standing. We have side to side pulls just like that. Great. Nice work. We're just reaching out and we're grabbing an imaginary rope to each side with adding a slight bend into our elbow. 8, 7, 6. Woo! Great work. Last 2. And holding the arms up still. 1, we have a fold over. So you're taking your wrists and you're ever so slightly folding them under. Great, folding it over for 8, 7, 6. Oh my goodness. Fold it over. Get into it. Squeeze those shoulders. 4, 3, 2, and 1. We're not done, so hold them up. We got a double punch each side. Almost there, you guys. Punch it out and keep those arms up. Great. Double punch. Get into it. Yes. For 6, 5. Yes. 4, 2. We're gonna take the punches to the front in 1. Punch it out just like this, right in front of your beautiful face. Punching it out just like that. Great. Keeping your butt nice and tight. Hips are tucked under. Awesome. Here we go. Woo! 8, 7, 6. Get them up higher, baby. Cross it out. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Ending right here with nice half circles, just like that. Beautiful. Slowing it down just a little. Working on your posture. So shoulders back and down as you release those arms. And exhale. Awesome. Nice work, you guys. Woo! All right, just give me 2. Dropping the shoulders down and rolling them back as you release that last one. Just tiny little shoulder rolls right here. How we feeling? Somehow I'm already sweating. Great. Feel free to stretch it out. But that was your little arm burner to end your daily workout. Hope you guys loved it. Hope you guys felt that burn. You feel sexy and sculpted. And I will see you tomorrow at your daily workout. Mwah.